One. There they are. Привет. Привет, привет. О, ага. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. Dati pataas siyang ganun. Dati pataas na ganun. Ngayon medyo mas okay na siya. I think they will flatten doon para maging mas madaling dumaan. Pag ganun. Да, вчера. Ага! Так быстро!
Это, что, все?
А ты не поедешь?
Да, малая одна, во-первых, и...
Где он? Вот он. Basta. Hello everyone! Today we will go again sa kanilang side together with the foreman. And we will see kung ano gagawin natin doon. Today we will go there at the side to help. I hope I can help.
Понял. Давай тогда точно.
Because I saw there on their vlogs that they have a problem with the communication between the one who is digging or doing their road. Yung supposed to be dapat sana stay lang siya na ganun is tinibag niya. Mas okay sana na stay lang siya ganun, hindi niya tinouch para maging mas ano siya, mas matigas yung lupa. Pero now, since natanggal na siya sa part na yon, na backhoe na siya, I think we will find solution. And some parts na supposed to be hindi niya gagalawin din or hindi niya papakialaman, which is not their lot, is doon naman siya nagwo-work. Since per hour yung payment niya and then nagwo-work siya sa other lots, parang it's not it's not worth it for the payment, for the labor. That's why we'll try to help. I hope I can help. We can help together with the foreman, and he's right there. And now we're already here at their lot. It's the second time na, ano kuya?
Kanila pa to, hindi na.
Hindi na, doon lang yung sa kanila sa taas. It's the second time that I've been with them with their car. Not too much dito.
Sila yung nagbabayad.
We're from the other side of the road. Ayan siya.
Yung doon, lalagyan yung dito na lupa.
That's the, yan na yung itsura ng ano nila.
Раха, не видишь, вот тут высоко, вот тут, да?
Да, очень высоко
И
здесь.
там вот высоко, где бетонная дорога начинается. И вот надо вот это, чтобы ровно было. Сейчас оно вот так вот идет.
Да, вот так вот идет.
А надо ровно.
А.
И вот он отсюда взял камни и зачем-то скинул туда.
Я так и тоже думала раньше, почему он
на
не
чужой
там.
участок. Вот их оттуда надо доставать, все там, и глину доставать, и вот эти камни, и отсюда еще брать, и делать в ровную, вот такую большую.
А не хотите положить просто точно так кругленький вот
Хотим,
так?
да. Хотим. Ну его ж надо где-то заказать.
Yung ginagawa
No.
yung daan na lang nila sana yung ginagawa papunta dito.
Вот.
Ito hindi nila ginagalaw.
The problem.
Это же не наш участок.
Да.
Наш вот эта дорога, и там.
Ang gusto nila kuya, yung na mga nandoon, yung mga tinapon na doon sa part na yon kasi hindi na sa kanila yan, and yung may-ari niyan is ayaw niya magbigay ng rights of way. Dapat tanggalin niya yung mga nilagay niya doon and lagay niya doon sa part na dyan. And then sa part dito, mas pinataas niya kesa doon. Supposed to be, ang gusto nila is flat talaga from here hanggang doon sa road. Parang road level siya, magiging ganyan siya. Diretsong
Да,
ganyan.
получается вот оттуда, и вот это вот все должно быть прямое. Если тут все будет прямое, тогда машина так вот быстро разворачивается и сюда заезжает, и проблем
Dapat
не будет.
straight siya, road level from here to there. Ayan. And I'm suggesting na maglagay sila ng parang daanan sana ng tubig, yung bilog na gano'n. Sabi nila, oo daw gusto nila pero hindi pa nila alam kung saan bibili. Pero ang iniisip ko naman, bakit pa nila gagawin yan, pantay na ganyan, kung may balak silang maglagay ng ganon? Hindi ba pwedeng lagyan muna nila ng bilog bago sila dyan, magpantay? I don't know what they want to do. In fairness, giniginawa ko ngayon. Kasi today, there's a typhoon according to Pag-asa. Pero in here, wala namang nakikita, wala namang visible typhoon for now. Pero kanina, medyo umambon siya. And we are now going to walk from here again. Dito, walang problema kapag naglalakad ka pataas in this part. Pero, kapag pababa ka na, yun na yung mahirap kasi madulas siya, lalo na yung lupang ganyan. Mag-i-slide ka talaga hanggang sa baba. Pero in fairness, medyo mahirap din pala siyang umakyat kasi madulas. And ayun na sila. Ang bilis nila maglakad. Right. And now we will go to the one who is doing the road. And kakausapin natin sila para magkaintindihan sila kung ano talaga yung gusto nilang gawin. Ang lamig, in fairness. I didn't expect this. Ayun na sila. Sergey and Andrei is over there monitoring the backhoe. Oh, here they are. Let's see kung ano na itsura ng daan. Oh, one. There they are. Привет. Привет, привет. О, ага. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. Dati pataas siyang ganon. Dati pataas na ganon. Ngayon medyo mas okay na siya. I think they will flatten doon para maging mas madaling dumaan. Pag oh, here they are. They're all here for the moment and they are looking for the road. Hey, pagadi! Ayun, bigla ba namang umikot? Di man lang sinabi. Lapit namin. Nagsitakbuhan eh. Upay Jot. А это не упадет потом?
Не, а мы там еще маленьких внутрь положим, и нормально.
Да?
Ну, между ними. Может чуть этим бетоном куда пролить.
Туда, да?
Ага. Но между камнями потом.
Угу. Ой, уходи. Так.
Серег, давай пустем побольше сюда.
Ayun oh. Si Andre naka-sleeveless. Samantalang ako ito. Hello!
She come here to help.
Look at Andre. He wears a sleeveless and I'm getting cold.
You're getting cold.
Yeah, it's so cold for me now. For you, no?
But for me so comfortable.
Really?
I like this weather so much, not hot.
Today it's cold for me. Here, on this part.
You know, it's like Russian summer.
Summer?
Summer.
Really?
Yes, like this in June and August the same weather. But in July, like in the Philippines, hot.
Because in our area, it's maybe fall, like this.
Fall.
Yes, it's only fall. Summer, it's a bit the same when during summer here
Uh,
in the Philippines.
in my area where I live in Russia, like this weather in June and August. In July, it's like in the Philippines.
And how it feels when already winter
Very
in
cold.
your in your area.
Negative 20. Few days ago was negative
Mm.
20 degrees Celsius.
Because in our area, only sometimes having a snow. That's why it's normal for
Because
me.
you live in Russia more in the south.
Southern, yeah.
Then more in south more hot.
Yeah. And we are in between Russia and Ukraine, just the boundary.
Ah, yes, you are in the boundary.
Yeah. Before, when first time of the war, I'm so afraid.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. But it's normal there.
Did you experience like some of like missiles? Like what?
No, I didn't saw any.
Okay, this is good.
Everything you can see on the television, I can see there. It's so peaceful there. That's why I don't understand. Where's the war?
Maybe only like in the direct border, like
Maybe.
parts of front line.
hmm Because almost everyone who know me here, if I said my husband is a Russian, they said, "Oh, there's a war there."
Ah, yes.
I always answer, "No, there's no war there. The war is in Ukraine."
In Ukraine, unfortunately, yes, it's still war is still going. I hope it will end soon, very
Yeah.
soon, and we can live like in friendship,
Normal.
normal, yes, like
Yeah. No, but some time before, when we from Russia going here, we've sat together with Ukrainian. I thought before when you see each other, there will be a problem, but no, they are friends. And then later on, when we have been here in the Philippines, especially in Samal, we also met Ukrainian. They talk with each other. It's normal. They are friends.
yeah.
So I think it's just I don't know, politics maybe.
You know, a lot of millions of people in Russia have relatives in Ukraine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like separate and afterward they separated,
Mm-hmm.
was separated. So normal people is like still in friendship.
Yeah. And I met someone on the train before. They are brothers and sisters, but one chose to become Ukrainian and one chose to become Russian. But their family is half-half, Russian and Ukrainian.
Yeah, also my father is Ukrainian and mother is Russian.
Ah, really?
Yeah,
And you are?
Russian. But I was born in Russia and I lived all my life in Russia.
Oh.
I visited Ukraine only like maybe 5 times only for all my life.
Oh, is there no problem if you will go to Ukraine?
No, now it's
Now.
very big problem.
Ah, really?
Now I can go there.
But before, no problem. Yes?
Before no problem. Even no boundaries.
Mm,
No need visa, no need anything.
yeah. That's a problem now.
No problem.
Yung mga bato na malalaki na yan, nilalagay nila dito sa may part na dito para maging ano siya, para hindi mahulog yung mga lupa from here, from above. And I'm hoping na hindi siya magro-roll. Lalo na pag lindol. Sabi nila is, ano daw, okay lang naman daw sa kanila. Na ganun, I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Pero according to them, since may mga ano naman sila specialty for construction, okay daw. So, tingnan natin kung ano sasabihin din ng foreman. On that part, yung part na yan, which is hindi nila place na, supposed to be today daw is bibilhin nila and they will meet together with sa may-ari ng lupa na yan. And they're just waiting for the owner dyan para maging sa kanila na yan. And I'm suggesting na maglagay sila ng daanan ng tubig, yung bilog na ganon, doon sa pinaka main road nila doon. Pero sabi daw ng mga nakatira dito sa area nito, wala daw malakas na tubig flowing from this. Pero para siyang kanal kasi. Parang talagang water, ano siya, daanan ng water for me. Pero ang sabi nila, kahit daw malakas yung tubig, malakas yung rain, wala daw malaki or malakas na agos ng tubig. So, that would be normal. That's why they will just like that. Ganun na lang siya basta. Ang gagawin lang nila is to i-level yung sa main road, yun, road doon, hanggang sa kanila. Para mas madaling makapasok yung mga machines, yung mga cars. And now, we will explain to the operator na yung gusto nilang gawin. And let's go there. I don't know. Ako dati. The Wi-Fi jump. Let's go there. Hoy, mahirap kayang bumaba doon. Wait lang. Try ko kung kaya ko ulit. Kasi last time, ang tagal kong bumaba. Ako yung pinakalas na bumaba. Ang bilis nila bumaba pero ako hindi kasi nag-i-slide ako. And we will now going down from here again on this part of the road. Pero actually hindi naman siya talaga road. Dadaan lang kami dito kasi ito lang yung possible na daanan for now. Ayan siya. Ang hirap kaya bumaba dito. Uy, pero ang bilis niya. In fairness. Try natin. Wait lang. Kasi last time, I'm with my husband and I don't know how to go down here carefully. Hala! Wait lang. Madulas siya.
Сейчас ты свалишься с этой палкой.
Можно я поддержу вас? Ай! Осторожно!
Другой рукой.
Ой, спасибо. А потом? Ну, куда еще?
Андрей уже ждет, пока ты свалишься.
Ну да, Андрей уже там.
Подожди, давай.
Точно, ты
Вот
умеешь?
сюда, сюда, сюда вставай.
Куда, куда?
Вот сюда, тут нормально.
Куда?
Сюда вот. Все, погоди, отпусти пока.
Ayun. O, diba? Wala na yung video ko. Ой, спасибо вам большое. А здесь можно уже нормально. Да, вчера. Ага! Так быстро! Oh, so nice here. Marami man kuya doon o yung manggagaling doon, yung mga bato. Kaya nga po yung mga bato, ilagay nyo dito kuya para
Yung tabo na to
maging...
sa bato, sa may tabo na to sa bato.
Magmi-mix yan kuya, yung bato tsaka yung ito, magmi-mix yung ganun. And now, we've just explained already everything for the driver or the operator. And buti na lang, nakaintindi siya ng Tagalog. And we also have here translator of Bisaya. Ayan, di ba? O kaya three kami. And they will do here later, they will put big stones here para daw hindi mag-fall yung lupa later. Oh. Last time na nagpunta ako dito, medyo nahihirapan pa akong maglakad dito noon. Kasi medyo matarik siya dati, ganyan. Pero ngayon, it's better na. Medyo mas nag-slanting, medyo mas ganyan na siya. Kaya na yung, medyo kaya na ng car from here. Pero yung limestone nila, for now, is medyo madulas pa rin. Especially for car. Ganito siya. But now it's better. And dati hanggang dyan lang sa level na yan yung natanggal pa lang nila nung nagpunta ako dito. Ngayon hanggang dito na. Ang taas na. Yeah, let's go further. Medyo ano na siya dito. Medyo straight na siya. Ang ganda ng Mount Apo ngayon. Super clear. Even though there's a typhoon now. Pero ang ganda niya. Wala siyang clouds, everything. Super clear. Ang ganda ng view. And now, let's go there. on that part of the road. Ayan. Nung last time na nagpunta ako dito, nakita ko is ginagawa nila tug 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 tug. Kaya naging ganyan yung mga parts ng ano dito. Naging pieces of rocks na siya.
Ito ma'am, itong mga bato.
These rocks, yung mga malalaking bato na to, is sabi ni operator, ilalagay daw muna niya doon sa taas na yun. And then later on, aakyat siyang ganun para ayusin yung pagkakalagay. Kasi if from here, it's so hard to do. And now, I don't know where to go. Kasi nandun naman na si operator, mag-i-start na siya. So, maybe I will go back on that road. Oh. And this is the tractor or backhoe. Ayan, dun sila sa baba. Tingnan nga natin kung paano niya tatawagin yung operator doon since maingay yung di ba? Yan, operating siya. So, tapos sumayo pa talaga siya doon. Eh, paano kung mag-i-slide siya pa ganun yung backhoe? Ayan, may chance ka nang tawagin siya. Oh, ayun. Narinig niya, in fairness. Ang galing. And now we're going home. Ayan. Marami pang mga works na dapat gawin here on their lot. Supposed to be 2 days na lang para matapos na yung backhoe na yan na sinabi nila beforehand. Pero sa nakikita ko, hindi kaya ng 2 days gawin lahat ng sinabi nilang gagawin ng operator. Kasi mag-isa lang siya and so hard to do everything. Especially masyadong mabato sa part na to. Every piece of stones here or rocks is kailangan niyang ilagay somewhere. Everything is settled and now it's time to go home. Oh, car can already go from here. Before it can't, but now, ayan,
Wow,
pwede na, hanggang doon na.
You can go upstairs. Wow.
And now let's see how will he go down. Because before, when we're together with Sasha in this road, I'm so afraid going up and down. Oh,
Wow. Very good. Very good.
there's already a progress on the road. And now I'm home. Sana nakatulong ako sa kanila. And I hope na naintindihan naman ng mabuti ng operator yung mga instructions na sinabi namin sa kanya kasi we're both translating naman na into Tagalog for me and then tinatranslate ni Kuya para sa kalimutan ko tawag sa kanya. Si Kuya na magbi-build ng house later na into Bisaya. Though, alam ko naman na naintindihan na niya kasi nagtatagalog din naman si Kuya operator. And I'm happy to help them as well, of course. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye-bye!